Today I am going to make a magic. I am going to pour the water inside the glass and I am going to shuffle it. Now tell me in which tumbler the water is present. Now I am going to check it. Is the water is present in the first tumbler? No. In the third tumbler? No. In the second tumbler? No. Then where is the water? Do you want to know the tricks? Then watch the video till the end. Hi friends, welcome to Anbudan akshayam. If you are watching my videos for the first time, click the red color subscribe button and hit the bell icon. You will get my latest videos. Do you want to play with snow? If yes, then I will show you how to make an instant snow. For making instant snow, we need sodium polyacrylate and a glass of water. You can also get this chemical in online. Now I am going to make instant snow. First I am going to pour sodium polyacrylate inside the tumbler. Next I am going to add some water into it. Now our instant snow is ready. I hope now you understood that what trick I might be used. Inside the tumbler, add little amount of sodium polyacrylate. The chemical absorbs more amount of water and increase in size, so that while I am shaking it won't fall. During Christmas time for decoration, you can use this instant snow. In science fair, you can also use this instant snow for making winter season model. Sodium polyacrylate is a chemical which absorbs and retains the water, so it looks like snow. It is used in diapers, hair gels and soap. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.